Okay, so we are going to see what we call world problems. These are just applications of solving linear equations as we've seen. So find a number that when you add 3, you get 8. So think about a number, when I add 3, I get 8. Then subtract 5, you get 2. So this is find the number, find the number that when you domain number 1, domain number 2, up to domain number 6. So those are the ones we are going to do in our groups. Then we have logical problems. We are going to see more in the next lesson. Peter's age is twice that of John. If the sum of their age is 48, find their age. So these are the ones we are going to handle today. They are called world problems, or you can call them, sometimes they are called logical problems. So can we group ourselves and then we start off? You have four, is it 4? Okay, you have 3 for each. That means 4 each. Okay, we can start off. Okay, I think now I've collected in group 3. We are going to use group 3. They are doing this one. So we are going to see this is going to be group 3 work. Then we have group K. Group K, they are doing this. Then we have group H. We have group H. Okay, we have group H here. Group H, I think they are doing this one. Then we have this one, it's group 10. They did this one. Group 10. Then we have group 8. Group 8, this is what they are having here. Group 8. Then we have group J. Group J. They did this. And we have group 1. So this is what group 1 did. So those are the 7 groups that we are having members. Can you clap for them first of all? Yeah, they presented their work nicely. Okay, so that's what we have. So I think everyone can see. The rest, let us extend. You give the work to the neighboring group. Let us extend the work, and then we see what happens there. Okay, so as you can see, this is group 1. They are saying, let x be the number. So the number x, you add 3, you get 8. Then from here, they simplify it. So they say x plus 3, they got 8. Then we say you can easily take this, or you subtract 3 this side, you subtract 3 this side. So these ones, they fall off. So you have 8 minus 3, you get 5. So this is right. So this is very okay. Then here, they say let k be the number. So k, okay, subtract 5, you get 2. You say this is the same as k. You say when it crosses equal signs, the sign changes to positive, to opposite sign. So plus 5, and so the k is 7, as you see there. Okay, this one is wants to run away. Go here now. Okay, this one is multiply it by 4 and then add it 2, you get 14. So they let p be the number, they multiply p by 4, they add it 2, they get 14. We said body mass, we use multiplication first. So 4 times p, we get 4p. So now we multiply terms, right? We take figures. Beside this is positive, because of the equal sign, it becomes negative. So 4p is equal to 12, divided by 4, we get 3. This is also k. Then here, multiply it by 5, subtract 6, you get 9. Multiply it by 5, let the number be y. Multiply by 5, subtract 6, you get 9. So because this is Subtraction, we add now both sides. So 9 plus 6, we get 15. Divide by 3, divide by 5, we get 3. So this is also okay. Then divide it by 2, you get 5. So let the number be h. H divided by 2, you get 5. Then they cross multiplied. 1 times, you get 1 times h, which is h. 2 times, you get 5. And so their h is 10. Okay. So when you get 10 and divide it by 2, you get 5. That's how you can check. Then here, divide by 3, add 1, you get 4. So you said let k be the number, they got k, divide by 3, add 1, you get 4. Then they took this first. So after this, when you subtract, you get 3. Then after they cross multiply, like this one is did. Then 3 times 3, they got a 9. Then here, the question. Peter's age is twice that of John. If the sum of their age is 48, find their age. So they distributed. This is John, Peter, sum. So if John is X, so always they refer it to John. So meaning we need to know what John is. So if John is X, then Peter, his age is twice that of John. So that's why they multiplied here by 2. Then their sum was, the sum of their age is 48. So the sum means what? You add. So when you added the son John and that of Peter, they got 48. X plus 3, 2x, you get 3x, equal to 48. Divided by 2, they got x equaling to 16. So John is equaling to x years, which is going to be 16 years. Then Peter is twice x from here. So meaning it's going to be 2 times 16, which is 32 years. So that's what I expected. I can clap for the groups. Almost every group is getting it right. So that's how we apply, that's how we handle rounding problems with the applications of solving equations. So most of these are ordinary equations. So that's it, members. I wish you well. So go now in your different individual books to write these notes properly. Then you try out exercise in your learner's aid, then you bring it to me in the afternoon and I look at it. Okay, so see you there.